Told you. It's a lot of knives, but these you don't see too often. Not only that, but this shit is crucial. I wouldn't exactly shave my face with it, but maybe cut a tree, you know? This is based and modeled after an Aztec. I think it's called this is a Zolo or it's not a Cholo. God, what is it called? I don't know exactly how they pronounce it, but it's Xolo, and it's basically like a piece of wood with, what do they use? Like obsidian pieces on the sides of it that are used with like pine tar, and they use it like a sword essentially, but very cool.